she was there and she signed
Wow.
my
Wow.
wrestling.
So great. Awesome. So
What's
you
really crazy,
an autograph.
in university, in my first year of university, I was on the wrestling team and she was my coach.
Oh wow. So wonderful. So
Uh,
wonderful. That's
I
good.
was
That's
like,
good.
oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm getting taught by tons of reviews.
Great. Yeah. It is
So it was
really a
really,
dream. Like,
really good experience, and she's a really good wrestler. So I think in terms of wrestling, she was definitely like an idol of mine. Yeah, and the fact that I had the opportunity to be taught by her was pretty cool. So
awesome.
yeah. Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well.
That's awesome. So my name is Hannah. What's your name?
My name is Indrajit and I'm from India. Nice to meet you,
Indrajit.
ma'am.
Is that right?
Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you. So tell me a little bit about yourself then.
Yeah, my name is Indrajit and I'm from India and I'm studying an engineering. The stream
Yeah,
name is Electronics and Communication Engineering and only 1 year left to become graduate.
that's exciting.
Yeah,
That's awesome. And how old are you, Indrajit?
I am 23.
23. Perfect. 23 years
And
old.
who do you live with?
Say that again?
Who do you live with?
So I live at the moment with my sister. So I've
Oh,
recently
wow.
living in Canada. The
Oh,
last 2 years I've been in England.
oh, I see. And and you know that my dream is to travel USA or England.
Really?
Yeah,
That's awesome. Do you know like when you plan on doing that?
yeah. If I get a decent job from there, so I definitely go for that after my BTech, or I continue my study as MTech.
Oh, okay. That's really cool.
Yeah,
Yeah, have you done lots of traveling before, or will it be your first
I
time?
have traveled outside of my state, but not country. Still now, but I have a dream to travel outside my country.
Very nice. And where did you say you were from again?
I am from India.
From India.
Have you
That's great.
visited?
I've always wanted to go. It's
Yeah.
on my
Oh,
bucket list.
really awesome. It would be awesome to me. You should visit India because a lot of things, whatever the guest of would like, then all the things I and also our Indian culture provide you whatever you want, whatever the guest.
Very welcome, very welcoming
Yeah.
people. Yeah. Oh,
And,
that's awesome.
and madam, yeah, I have noticed in your profile that you love playing ukulele. So how do you play ukulele?
So, I've got it here. I can grab it if you'd like. It's 6 months ago.
Oh,
So I have it here.
so
So
great.
it's got 4 strings.
Oh,
It's
I
light
see.
and it's a lot easier to play than the
Oh,
guitar. There's
yeah.
not as much.
It is. It looks
Yeah,
like guitar. It is a miniature of guitar, I think.
similar. Yeah, but it has a different sound.
Oh,
So like, I'll
can you
play a
play?
little. So
Oh,
so it sounds a little
yeah,
bit
it's
different.
so nice.
I
Wow,
need to tune it because it's a little bit uh
it is
off.
portable.
It's off tune right now, but
Oh,
it um,
wow,
yeah, it's
great.
similar to a guitar, but has a different
Yeah,
sound a
and it
little
is really portable than guitar, more portable.
bit. That's another reason why I like the ukulele because you can take it traveling with you. So I
Yeah,
strap it to my big backpack to the,
yeah, madam.
and I take it with me.
So
Yeah,
And yeah, madam, and one thing that attracts me in your profile that you are the teacher of disabilities. So how do you deal with this that type of student? Because I know that this is really our job to deal with them, but I
Yeah.
want to know from you how you
So
tackle it.
I think, yeah, I think for so for like when I was teaching disabilities, they were in high school and
Yeah,
they had mainly mainly Down syndrome, but they also had learning disabilities as
yeah,
well. I think the most important like way that you can help them in learning would be and just kind of aid them towards
the
improving their
sign,
learning.
like
It would
yeah,
be like
sign language.
patience is the biggest one.
Yeah,
So like
that's
sometimes it can be frustrating when you're they can be a little bit reluctant to learn.
oh
They sometimes they
yeah,
get distracted quite easily. Um, so I think it's just about finding out what that person needs, what that student needs, in order for them to be successful in learning,
oh
to keep them engaged.
yeah,
Because
and you did an awesome job.
oh, thank you. I I really that when I was doing that, it was the best part of my day going into that
Yeah,
classroom because we were so happy all the time. Honestly, they'd say like, "Oh, Hannah, teacher Hannah," they'd hug me, and
wow,
they
great, great,
honestly would be
great.
like so happy. If you're having a bad day, like honestly, I learned so much from them, even though I was the
Wow,
one teaching
awesome, awesome.
teaching
And it is
them.
a
But
really noble profession.
say that again.
It is a really noble profession
Yeah, it's
to
really
teach them.
rewarding as well. It's really rewarding as well. It's nice, like feeling like you have a purpose, like you've
Yeah,
really helped someone or affected their life in a positive way.
yeah,
So, yeah, I did really enjoy doing that.
yeah.
I think it's just listening to what the student wants. Like, if they wanted to play a game, tell them, okay, yeah, we're gonna do this, and if we do this really well, then we'll play a
Yeah.
game. Then we can do that. So, like, listening to what they want, and a lot of times, just that communication with them, finding
Uh,
out what it is that they need to
to
help
connect
them.
them. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
And yeah,
um,
and I want to know that how do you find interest in as a wrestling coaching for kids, or what is your job
yeah.
in this?
So when so now I'm fully teaching English online. I'm not
Oh,
doing anything else at the moment.
okay.
So I'm quite, I move around a lot. I travel a lot, so you can't keep a job in one place. So I teach online, which helps a lot.
Yeah,
But when I wrestled,
yeah.
um, so in Canada and in America, wrestling is like a big sport. It's quite
Oh,
popular.
I
So like
see.
in the UK and stuff like that, it's not. But I started wrestling at a young age because my dad, he wrestled, and then he
Oh,
became a coach for wrestling. So then because of
oh,
that, he put me in wrestling at a young age, took me out of dance, took me out of gymnastics.
oh, wow. So you are really adventurous.
Yeah, yeah. I try to be. I like to be.
Yeah.
Um, so I wrestled for 8 years with him as my
Wow.
coach,
So
and
and yeah, tell
it
me.
was quite competitive. It was very like you had to be very committed to
Yeah,
doing it,
exactly,
like
exactly.
dedicated. So I did that for 8 years, and then when I finished my wrestling career, then I started teaching wrestling to kids,
Oh,
like
wow.
on the club. Yeah, so I
He,
became a coach after I finished wrestling.
yeah, and I want to say that your life is full of adventures, full of adventures.
Thanks. Well, I'm
And
sure yours is as well. I'm sure you've got lots of stories to tell and things
yeah,
that you can,
and
and
who
also
is,
places that you're gonna go as well. Some future travels.
yeah, and who is the best wrestler? you like in your what is your idol, or what do you think that in your opinion, what is your opinion?
So with in terms of wrestling, there was a woman who actually her name was Tanya Verbeek, and
Oh,
she was,
can you type that?
yeah, sure. So she was a wrestler who, when I was wrestling, I watched her on TV compete in the Olympics, and she got a gold
Oh,
medal
wow.
for Canada.
Yeah.
And she actually lives not far from where, I think that's how it's spelled.
Oh,
She,
Tony Verbeek. Yeah.
yeah, Tanya Verbeek. So she doesn't live far from where I live. And when I was younger and at a
Oh,
wrestling tournament, she was there and she signed
wow.
my
Wow.
wrestling.
So great. Awesome. So you
What's really crazy,
an autograph.
in university, in my first year of university, I was on the wrestling team and she was my coach.
Oh, wow. So wonderful. So
Yeah.
wonderful. That's
I
good.
was
That's
like,
good.
oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm getting taught by Tanya Ravine.
Great. Yeah. It is
So it was
really
really,
like.
really good experience, and she's a really good wrestler. So I think in terms of wrestling, she was definitely like an idol of mine. Yeah, and the fact that I had the opportunity to be taught by her was pretty cool. So
Awesome.
yeah.
And
How about you?
you
What
are
are your,
really cute.
oh, thank you. So what are your hobbies?
My hobby is painting.
Painting. I've always wanted to paint, but I'm not good at it.
Oh, so you should try once.
What did you say?
You should try once.
I like doing like paint by numbers because it's
Wow.
easy.
Using
But
sketch pens.
I'm not good at like thinking of something and drawing it. I can like look at something and draw it, but I can't like just think of something and
Yeah,
draw it.
can't imagine.
I can like copy it. So how long have
Awesome.
you been painting?
I have been painting for my childhood.
Okay. And what do you like to paint? Have you
I
consistently
no
painted
because
since you were young?
I am free. I have free times. Then I used to paint, and my I used to paint most probably the landscape, the urban, and also
Landscape.
the
Oh,
rustic
nice.
sceneries.
Oh, cool. I love paintings like that. But like I said, I'm not good at at doing them, but I like seeing them. Yeah, that's awesome. Do you do anything else aside from when you used to paint?
Yeah, if I get a chance to go for hiking or
Mhm.
skydiving, then I definitely go for that because it's my dream, another dream, to do hiking or and also skydiving.
That's awesome.
And
So
even
I,
yeah,
on
from
my bucket list, I want
when
to
I
do
was child, and I am afraid, very afraid of height, but nowadays I love to do skydiving.
That's awesome. I want to do skydiving too. I was supposed to do it, well, I wanted to do it when I was in Australia, but I
Oh,
didn't end up getting to do it because my plans changed and stuff. But I'm still planning on one day, hopefully going skydiving because I love like stuff like that. I love
yeah,
like your adrenaline pumping and you're like,
exactly.
"Ah." Like in Australia, I did bungee jumping.
Oh, what is the mint by
Show
that?
you a picture. So this is bungee jumping. It's when you have a cord attached to you and you jump and you fall and the cord stops you from.
Oh, yeah. So and oh, I see. Yeah.
So
I noticed in the TV. Great. Oh, wow. Awesome. It is so risky and so adventurous.
yeah, it's really you have like, do you know if you go on a roller coaster and it goes, you get that?
Yeah. I saw in YouTube and also TV. And can you
Yeah,
type that? The name of this play?
the word bungee jumping.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, I see.
Really, it's
And
got a
yeah, my
feel.
time is running out, madam. So it is really lovely to meet you, and
Yeah,
see you soon. And it was
yeah,
really
it was
awesome to
so
meet you.
nice to meet you. And I'll talk to you soon. See you
Sure,
soon,
sure.
Angie.
Stay safe.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.